the month before the past and even longer. So you can write the model like this: yt is equal to rho 1 yt minus 1 plus rho 2 yt minus 2 plus up to so on yt rho this is k yt minus k plus epsilon. So this is also autoregressive model. This autoregressive model is termed as AR1, 1 because it is depending only on one leg, and if you are going here, this can be termed as ARK because this is depending on k past legs. So this is your autoregressive model. You can estimate this we will actually estimate. And what is the beauty of this autoregressive model? This can be used for making forecasts. What is the theory behind this? We have gone into the context. This time we have discussed the salary phenomena and made the model like this, but you can apply the same model to any other phenomena as well without worrying about the theory behind, right? So this is basically a theoretic model. There is no need of theory for this, and this can be used for making predictions. Okay, so the second kind of model is called moving average model. What is the moving average model? Look, I have discussed the phenomena where current observation is depending on the past observation of the same series. But sometimes the current observation depends on the past shocks. Past shocks. For example, what is shock? Look, let me give you example. Suppose you are making your consumption decision. So there is one path of your consumption. Suppose you have decided to consume 70% of your income. So that is the trend. And then in 1 month, you have some savings. You consumed less than what you have planned to do, right? What will happen next time? You have some saving to consume next time, right? What was the difference from your planned path to the actual series is error, and that error is determining your current consumption. And this can be happen in other ways. For example, in the last month there was marriage of one of your friend, and you have to consume more than the pattern. You have decided to consume 70% of what you earn, but actually you consumed 80%. What will happen? You have some insurance policy. You will have to save larger money in order to pay that premium. So the error that happened in the past would determine the future value. This kind of model is called moving average model. It can be written like this: yt is equal to theta epsilon t minus 1. This is what is determined from the past error, and plus epsilon t, this is current uncertainty, and this model has become moving average. It can be termed as MA. Okay. Because you have only one leg, so you can call this model as MA1. And sometimes you can write the larger legs yt is equal to theta 1 epsilon t minus 1 plus theta 2 epsilon t minus 2 plus up to so on theta q epsilon t minus q plus the current error term, this is epsilon t. This will become MAQ model because you have Q legs. Right. मेरे ख्याल में थोड़ा सा हीट ज़्यादा आ रही है यहाँ पे. Okay, so this is your MAQ model, and then you may have a combination of these two. You can have simultaneously the AR component and the MA component in the same model. If you are having a phenomena like this will become like this. Yt is equal to rho 1 yt minus 1 plus theta 1 epsilon t minus 1 plus epsilon t. This is AR component, this is MA component, and combining these you have ARMA model. Okay. You can term this as ARMA 1-1 because there is one leg of AR term and one leg of MA term. Similarly, you can have larger AR and MA legs. For example, you may have a model like this. Yt is equal to rho 1 yt minus 1 plus up to so on. Rho p yt minus p plus theta 1 epsilon t minus 1 plus up to so on. Theta q epsilon t minus q plus epsilon t. Definition of AR, MA, कौन सी? Moving average, right. Okay, so this model will become AR, MA because these are AR terms and these are MA terms combined, and this is having P legs and this is having Q legs. This is ARMA PQ model. So, someone is asking for your good name? So, she is asking about, repeat the definition of MA model. Basically, in the AR term, the past value of the series is coming into the right side. And in MA series, the past error term is coming into the right side. Okay. The moving average model is one in which the past error terms determine the current value of the variable. There is a difference. The difference is, for example, look, your income was 80,000 last year. Okay, this 80,000 is determining your current income. That is AR term. Now, you were expecting your salary to be 80,000 last year, but actually it became 90,000. So the difference between what you have been foreseeing and what actually happening is 10,000. This is your error term, and in MA model, this error term is determining the current value of variables. Now you understand? Acha, let me explain once more. Consider the scenario you are getting 80,000, you are expecting to get 80,000 in the last month. But actually there was a windfall, you actually earned more than this amount, right? Instead of 80,000, you have earned 85,000. The 5,000 which is above your expectation is the shock, and in MA model, the shock is included in the prediction of current variable. Okay? The shock, past shock, is included to make the predictions for the current value. Okay, so these are AR and MA models, and as I have said you, these models can be used for making predictions. I will actually show you how to make predictions. And then we will